Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Maps without internet. It's very helpful when you are out of internet. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open Google Maps on your device. Then tap on profile picture icon. Now tap on offline maps. From here, you can download a selected location of maps. After downloading, you can use it when you are in out of internet. To download, then tap on select your own map. Here you can zoom in and out and also drag and drop. After selecting, you can download these maps. See here, download will use up to 60 megabyte. To download this map, tap on download. See here, download started and will continue. See here, downloading these maps. Maps will update our Wi-Fi. After downloading, you can use these maps when you are not in internet. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.